Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the EdgeOne demo labs. So the first step is to add your domain name in. So each of the student has already been assigned with a domain, right? So basically you're assigned with the number that is followed by the mikeekim.online. So the first thing to do is to go to the EdgeOne page, right? So you can go to the product and click here, and it will be here, right? So you click service dashboard, and over here it's just a general page, so we call it a greeting page or greeting panel. So over here showing you the analytics overview, the web security analysis. So later, after all the tests, you can just double click into them and do the checking, and also some of the tool sets, the general tool sets, and also the billing. So you have to enter into the service dashboard and click mikeekim.com. So basically this is a domain that you are going to use for testing. And over here you're going to domain name service and domain management. You'll see a lot of them, don't worry. Every time it's going to pop up the latest one. So if you can't see yours, it just increase the number to 100, or you can toggle to the last. So the one I'm going to use for testing is 2.mikeekim.online. So following this one, that nothing has been configured, so you go to the operation, hit edit, and over here you just need to change the origin. Origin will be this one. So you make sure it's the IP address, and the rest configuration you can leave it the same. Hit complete. It will be taking a while for you to wait for it to finish the deployment. So in the meanwhile, you can hit refresh just to check the status, but you will mostly be automatically updated. So whether it's necessary or not, it's up to you. So in the meanwhile, we can just do a test. Currently, you can't access anything. I think it's already been done. Okay, that's great. So after it's been added, so let's just go back and double check whether it's been deployed successfully. It's already been deployed. So once you copy this and you go here, you will see your lab page. So you will be working on only this domain, only this domain. So you can ignore the rest first. You can focus on the first lab. So the first lab is very simple. It's just to let you know, feel that the EdgeOne, the CDN, is to cache your content. Very simple. You open the latest cache page, then you check the timing. So basically this is the timing. So 150. It's 150. So what you're gonna do is to fill it by going on to EdgeOne. So you'll go to the EdgeOne page again, come back here, and you see there's a purge cache, and you select your site. You're going to purge based on the URL. So which URL you're going to purge is this one. So you're going to hit it. So the task has been submitted. Please wait and check the task progress in later in history. So over here, of course, you can do a query, but it's unnecessary, right? Because it's just one single task. So we can do a search, right? Success, purging method, delete, So over here, you're going, either you can do a refresh here, or you can open it again. So I'm going to do a refresh, and be careful on the change of the timing here. So the last page generation from the origin changed to 1 minute later. Oh, it's because that you've done the cache purge. Oh, so basically just to let you feel that every time that you try to access the web page, it's actually accessing the cache content from the EdgeOne. If you want to clear the cache, you just need to purge it. Oh, so basically this is the core functionality of a content delivery network, which is to bring the cache nearer to the user. So we finished the lab 1, and we're going to check the lab 2, which is API relimiting. Now everything is based on API. So relimiting is very important, and it's a very basic feature on EdgeOne. So you go back to EdgeOne Service Dashboard, you go mic.ecam.online, and you go to the security. And you don't use this because it's affecting all the domain. You use this one, domain level security policy. And you find your domain. I don't see it, no worries. I list them down. You try to find tool.mic. Where's tool.mic? Let me just do a search. It's actually here, right? Tool.mic. So I'm going to finish the task here. So first of all, I'm going to see that whether I send 20 requests at the time, whether it will be blocked. Or 200 OK. Status code is HTTP status code 200 OK. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is going to send again 200 OK, right? No block. So over here, very importantly, what I'm gonna do is to add the rules under the rate limiting. So I'm going to add the rules, single IP request rate limit, and over here, very importantly, I'm going only to do the rate limiting on this API rate. So I'm going back, and over here, I can just do, for example, 10 seconds, for example, 10 times, right? Click add, and over here, I'm going to send block. So action duration, so probably, yeah, you can leave it 30 minutes or you can leave it like 100 seconds, right? It's up to you, or 30 seconds. Priority is that when you have multiple rules affecting this, right? So the priority can be changed, can be added, right? So over here, I'm going to leave it default. So review rate, condition, rate limit, what will be affecting, and action. You hit deploy. And in the meanwhile, you can go back and see your deployment. So you can check the deployment every time under here, the domain management, right? Okay, it seems that it's already being deployed. So hopefully the status is up to date, and I'm going to hit again. I see it's 567, right? 567 means that it's already being blocked. Oh, so the lab 2 is finished. Lab 3. Lab 3 is to block cross-site scripting and SQL injection. So these are the two very commonly used web attack methods. 100% of the time, attacker is going to try on your application API on your website. Very simple. Going to send the normal request to 100 OK. Accesses. So I'm going to add some of the string at the back. It's going to pop up an alert just to simulate the cross-site scripting, so they are able to execute the script on behalf of you on the website. And SQL injection like a request is also 200 OK. So we're just simulating like a 1 equal 1 or 1 equal 1. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to the security page again. First, I have to go back to the domain configuration page, add the security, web security, go to the second panel, domain level security policy, just not to affect other user, and I'm going to my domain. So just now we've configured the read limiting rules, and now we are going here. So here, very importantly, you find the rules, or you can just do a search XSSS, right? XSSS. Let's see how many of them actually are related. So cross-site scripting, right? So I'm going to change it so you don't do anything from here, you do it from here. Level strict from monitor to block. Save. So this is XSS, and you have another one, SQL injection. Over here you hit block, click save. Okay, these two are being done. So we're going back just to double check whether the deployment has been done. Hopefully it's already done. So I'm going back here, send the normal request, it's okay. Send the SSS like, it's still okay, no worries, we can wait. Probably it's still taking into effect. It's still okay, no worries. Let's just go double check while waiting. So we over here, go to the web security, go here, and just to make sure I'm configuring the right one, I'm going to check again. I'm going down, right? So SSS should be block, and SQL injection should be block, and it's been turned on. Okay, I think now it should be block. Okay, still the same, no worries. Let's just wait. Refresh the page and going here, normal. Now, okay, now it's being blocked. Similarly, both are being blocked. It's taking longer than the rest, right? Because it's adding a lot of rule sets into it. So you see that it's 566, right? Similar to this 567, like we tested earlier. And the next step is to purposely block certain path that you don't want outsider to access. So over here, similarly, I'm going to the custom rules. This is one way to add it. So over here, URL wildcard, right? So over here, what we're gonna do is I'm going to add here protect. Okay, so over here, I'm just going to put / here. Sorry, it should be / protected. And matching is using the wildcard, but I'm using the precise way to match it. It should be okay. And the action is block. I'm going to deploy it. So in the meanwhile, while it's being deployed, now it's still accessible, right? So after a while, it become like 567 unknown status, and now it's restricted. So lab 4 is also completed, and lab 5 is for the URL rewrite for legacy campaign link. then you know that sometimes you just can't do all the changes on your Kubernetes, on your backend servers that swiftly. So you need this cache layer control to help you replace your old campaign page to the new campaign page. So we're going to use the function that is called the URL rewrite or URL redirect. Oh, so over here, what we're gonna do is I'm going web security, and I'm going back. I'm going to use a different method, which is the site acceleration. This is where you do all those routing or CDN related configuration, and you go rule engine and you create your rules, add blank rules, right? So you can name it, for example, student, for example, 1, right? And to match your host, right? So first of all, you have to match your host is 1, and add another condition, match the URL path, and here, and add the action. Action is the URL redirect access URL or redirect access URL. So it's going to basically to the, if you're going to debug this, they're going to see access code 302, which is a redirection, and the target host name that you should change. And also, sorry, target host name should be the same, but destination path should be changed. And you add the custom where, yeah, so over here, I'm going to add this new campaign page to it. So basically this is the rule set. You take a look again, right? So only need to change the destination path and change it to this one, and you hit deploy, but you will be taking a while to deploy. You can double check. So you go back, domain management. Okay, seems that I deployed wrongly. My domain name is actually to.mikeekim.com. Sorry. So I have to go back, and I'm going here, and sorry, name is student 2, and here it should be 2. So I'm going to hit deploy again. So what we're gonna do now is to monitor the status. It shows deploying. In the meanwhile, I'm going back just to check, open the old campaign URL. Now it's already being redirected. Test old URL that is still there, old campaign URL, but it's already been updated. So it's pretty fast. Let me just go to here and do a refresh. I think it's still deploying, but it seems that it's already been working. So yeah, it's already been working. So basically, let me just double confirm. So if you open this one, so you see that the URL I'm currently opening is old campaign URL. So you see that whether I will be redirected. It's already redirected to the new .html. So basically testing is successful. I guess it's just the status is not updated, but on the back end, it's already being updated. So this is lab 5. Lab 6 is to add a campaign page. So for example, I'm the VIP and I'm querying using my own ID. So for example, my VIP query string is 2. This is very important because you can just hard code or you can just code it inside your application logic to add this query string in so that you can match it and map it with, for example, your DB or database or your, for example, record. So over here, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create the edge function. So basically, this is the function that will be executed on the EdgeOne. So I'm going to recognize, match the business requirements, and I'm going to return the page that is desired, for example, for a VIP. So first of all, it's already activated. So first of all, I'm going here, which is edge function, and I'm going to create a function. I select the create hello world because it's almost like a blank template. I'm a student too. So the code is already being prepared on here. So you can just push it in. It's very simple code showing you how you can match the query string and display it accordingly for the VIP campaign page. Over here, I'm going to paste it. You don't have to do any changes. Create and deploy. And most importantly is the trigger. You have to add the triggering rule. So whenever, for example, my host is in my host 2.mic, right? And I'm going to check. And the query string, right? And the query string. Over here is the query string. Parameter is VIP. It's matching this one. It's matching this one. As in 2. And then I'm going to execute the function. So you don't have to do any changes here. You hit save. And it shows deploying, but it will be taking very long to deploy. Just wait. Do a refresh and check, still deploying, no worries. In the meanwhile, I'm going to check on the page that hasn't been updated. Open my VIP campaign URL. Hey, oh, there's a match already, which means that on the back end, it's already being updated. It's just a status that did not change. So VIP match, domain name, assign, student number is 2. So basically, this is the code that I just implemented. So even though it's not being updated over here, but you can still test it, right? You can still test it, and it's here, and it's here. That's great. And the last one is to access the site using the HTTPS. So over here, it's a very simple way to enable it. You don't have to do the redirection. So on EdgeOne, there's a very simple way for you to convert your non-secure website to a secure one. So let me just go back and go here, domain management, going here. So you see that the HTTPS configuration not configured. So you just hit edit, configure, apply for free certificate, and hit save. Oh, it's been applying. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to open another one, which is incognito, right? So you see that this site don't support a secure connection yet. Continue to site. Oh, so I'm going to go back and check again. Check on the status over here. In the meanwhile, I'm going to refresh, right? It's still the same. And going to HTTPS. See, that's not secure yet. Oh, it's deploying. Okay. Yeah, it shows that it's still deploying, right? Oh, now it's activated. And over here, you see it's already secure. Oh, so make sure you use the incognito to access the new HTTPS based setup, because sometimes the caches on the Chrome browser may affect your lab result. Oh, so basically now you finish all labs over here. Thank you.